In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 high-paying jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you what part of the world are you watching from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you guys, and I appreciate you all from the depth of my heart. So if this is something you're interested in, do not touch the dial. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Yes. Just in case you're coming across this gorgeous queen for the very first time, my name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. I'm based here in California. I drop 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to get free money, as well as side hustles. We also talk about how to also get money for free on this channel. Yes, you can also get money from rich people. Make sure that you binge watch my other videos, check out my previous videos, and start to make money for yourself. So without further ado, guys, let's just come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, the first job I have for you guys is social media manager. Yes, so guys, you can earn up to $51,000 in a year. This job is expected to have a projected growth rate of 10%. Yes, and the beautiful thing is that social media marketers leverage social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok to attract new customers and engage with existing ones. Guys, as social media becomes a business necessity across industries, the demand for savvy social media experts will likely continue to grow. And guess what? As a social media manager is typically responsible for setting content strategy and driving engagement on a company's social platforms. And to be successful, you need to possess a knack for storytelling. Yes, you should actually have immense proficiency when it comes to storytelling. Yes, storytelling for brand. And you're also expected to have a keen eye for design and an ability to analyze what actually does well with an audience and what doesn't. And you should actually possess soft skills. Yes, soft skills. Just so you know, guys, social media has become a key marketing area, and its ability to reach and capture customers while learning more about their needs, desires, and frustration makes it really special. Social media is something that all companies rely on, no matter how big or small it is. Yes, whether industries, corporations, brands, non-profits, even government officials and celebrities have a lot. Yes, they rely a lot on social media. They have social media accounts across board, and they use these accounts to actually communicate directly with their followers, which means that when you work as a social media manager, it can lead to a variety of fields. Yes, and that takes us to number 2. Yes, the second high-paying job I'm going to be introducing you guys to is, and just in case you do not know, is, guys, please ignore the noise at the background. There's a party going on behind me, and I wasn't aware of it up till now. So let's just come with me, guys. Let's go. Okay, so guys, the second job I'm going to be introducing you guys to is sales representative, with a salary of $84,626 with a projected growth rate of 10% as well. So guys, as a sales rep, you help to match customers with the right products and services for their needs. When you work in sales, especially in the technology sector, it gives you the chance to engage with people remotely while you're also helping businesses to thrive. Now, a sales representative promotes and sells products to customers on behalf of a company or organization. They actually pitch products to potential customers, present, new, and existing customers, and it also helps to maintain. I'm sorry, guys, in case there's a lot of noise going on in my background. I might have to change the position today, but I'm sorry, guys. I wish there's something I could do about it, but I'm sorry. This was the perfect location for me today, so guys, just bear with me. As a social media manager, you help to ensure smooth sales process and customer satisfaction. And sales representatives generally help to meet sales goal and help their sales director. Now, their jobs can be found in many industries, from technology to manufacturing. An inside sales representative works within an office, whereas an outside sales representative actually travels to see customers. Now, many sales reps have flexible schedules. You can work from home opportunities, yes, in most cases. So for anyone who enjoys working with others, it's a great career choice. You can always go into the office and work from the office. So guys, sales representative jobs can be very lucrative and rewarding for a self-starter who is motivated and self-confident. Yes. The next job I'm going to be introducing guys to, high-paying job, is copywriter. Yes, you can actually become a copywriter and earn a lot of money from it. Guess what, guys? As a copywriter, you can work remotely and create content for websites, marketing campaigns, and social media posts. Yes, as a copywriter, you're responsible for crafting persuasive and engaging copy that actually captures the attention of the target audience. Now, guess what? The median salary for an average copywriter is $63,000, guys. Don't miss these opportunities. Another high-paying job that you can do today in today's world is a graphics designer. So guess what? Graphic designers actually work remotely and they create visual concepts and designs for a variety of media platforms. They actually work on everything from logos to website designs, and the median annual salary for graphic designers is around $53,000. Yes, guess what? Another opportunity I want to be introducing you guys to is to be an online tutor. Yes, you can be an online tutor and earn a lot of money from doing so. Yes, you can be an online teacher. So guys, with the rise of e-learning platforms, online teaching has become a popular option for educators. Yes, online teachers actually create and deliver online courses, conduct live webinars, and provide one-on-one coaching sessions. The median annual salary for online teachers is around $51,000 US. Now, guys, before I came up with this list, I'd actually done my own research, and trust me, you can take this to the bank. If this is something that you're proficient in, go ahead and check out any of these options and begin to apply on different platforms. If you need me to make a video and share the list of websites where you can actually apply for all of these jobs online, virtually, please let me know in the comment section. Of course, you know I'm working for you guys, and just so you know, there are no stupid questions on my channel, so feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So guys, one more thing I want to say is this. Yes, do not fret. So whether you have the skills or not, it is simply okay. The most important thing is that you know that you want to work online. You know you have a passion for getting a remote job, or you want to someday work remotely and earn money from the comfort of your home. I've got good news for you. Do you know that you can apply as an intern? You can intern to work for a company for free, and it could be for a period of 6 months, and they're going to train you for free. So it's going to be a win-win situation. You're there getting experience and learning at the same time, and maybe after your 6 months probation, you can actually get hired by that company. Guess what? I have a friend that did this. He tried this strategy. This was a long time ago. Yes, he didn't have a job. He didn't have a job at the time, so he went and volunteered himself. Yes, he was actually commuting at the time. He was commuting, to get a job. He was commuting to the company, to the place, where he was rendering free services. And guess what? Somewhere along the line, a client told him that a bank close by was hiring. If he hadn't put himself in that position, if he hadn't offered to go there willingly to volunteer his services for free, he wouldn't have gotten that opportunity at his fingertips. And guess what? We ended up working together in the same bank. And when I asked him, he told me the story. Hey, I didn't have a job. I just volunteered to help volunteer my services, my time and my services to this company. And at the end of the day, I found out that, the bank was hiring, and that was how I got to know about it. So put yourself out there, you gain more exposure, you gain experience, and of course, you give yourself an opportunity to be discovered by people who are looking for your services. I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually get remote jobs even with or without the skills. Use the strategy that I give to you guys in this video, and of course, let me know how it's going. Yes, I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to support you. If there's any topic you need me to cover, on this channel, I am your go-to plug. I'm here working for you guys. Just leave it in the comments. I'll see you guys, and I will see to it, guys. Don't worry, I'm gonna work on every single topic for you guys. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. Love you. Mwah.